behind us.
What's up, guys? We're here with the next bootleg reviews. This time we're heading up Ghostline at Wisconsin Avenue, Northwest Washington, D.C. And Ghostline is a restaurant oasis where there's a bunch of different variety of restaurants that come together in a cohesive dining experience. Now, we didn't know where the heck we were going, so we decided to go into this random ass back alley with the lights at the end. Now, let's kick it over to me for the menu breakdown. Alright, so here we are. This is their Ghostbar, and then down here we have the desserts, and we have more desserts. And right here we have our first restaurant of the night. It is Ramen by Uru. I don't know, I can't read cursive, but this is their menu. Queen's Mother definitely looking like the favorite one here, just based off their sandwiches and how fire they are. Never had Indian food, but I'm down to try.
Indian food fire. Indian food's actually pretty fire.
Is it actually fire? Alright.
It's really similar to Asian food. It's less sweet, more spicy normally.
So based off of my two pundits' suggestions, I'm not gonna eat it. And Little Beast is looking like it's gonna be the second favorite here, just because they got a bunch of stuff and it's all looking fire.
Instead of tender. It's always messier.
Alright, here we have the Queen's Classic and all of its thick beauty.
How do I switch? Oh, I'm filming right now.
Got these steamed buns. They look a little different than what I thought they were gonna be looking like.
Nah, those are it.
Are you sure those are?
Yeah, those are steamed buns.
Okay.
Oh, and now the pizza's coming?
I had a lot of texture to it, and I like it. The chicken itself has this weird, like, smoky salt on the inside of it.
Smoky salt? What's that even mean?
It tasted like it's probably a pepper just bringing the smokiness out of it. I don't know what it is, but it tastes pretty good overall. I'd give it like a 8 out of 10.
How is this honey classic?
Oh, it's a hitting.
Earlier in the same night.
Like, everything that you enjoy is going to punish you a little bit. Like, this alcohol is gonna suck a little, especially like if you drink a lot of it, then tomorrow it's gonna suck. What?
Only if you're weak. Only if you're weak? Only if you're weak.
As we're digging into the steamed bun, what are your initial thoughts?
Damn, I thought I was a weed. I thought this steamed bun would hit, but I was wrong. It kinda good, but I'm still wrong. I wish I had some pizza or something. Let me take a sip.
A real steamed bun review?
I'm already done with my sandwich.
What the heck? I see.
It's a lot wetter than I expected it to be, which I kind of like, because chicken can get dry.
So we're gonna try out this gordito stick. I forgot what it was called, but that's what it's called in my mind. I'm gonna dip it in this sauce. Don't know what this sauce is, but
It's marinara, I think.
The vodka sauce.
The fact that the cheese spreads, that's how you know it hits.
Yeah, thank you.
dude, oh my god.
Look at the pure happiness on his face.
Dude, this is amazing.
Let's go crazy.
It does go crazy.
Yo, toast.
Crunchy bottom, soft fluffy inside.
Yeah.
Nice salty ass cheese.
How's the sauce?
You dip in the marinara. Oh,
Is that marinara?
It's a vodka marinara.
you hear this crunch?
You can literally hear the crunch.
You hear that shit?
Right. So the DC style pizza finally come in.
Like Japanese.
I'm not sure what makes it DC style, but we're gonna go ahead and see.
Alright,
Want to try some of this?
it's the final round. We finally got the pizza.
It's good.
Oh, you done?
Can I get my spot like them?
Fine, hold on.
Japanese pancake. Everyone refuses to eat, but super hot flames.
It's not that great. Just look at him. Look at how he attacks
You
it.
didn't take a bite out of it. How do you know it's not white?
I've had it before.
Beauty, I'll take it.
Oh no, the guy that's allergic to seafood about to take a bite.
Just don't eat the flakes.
Oh, he goes for the most dangerous part.
The corner.
like just sauce.
We started getting into the pizza. Oh snap! I can't really see what I'm doing right now. Yeah, bam, there it is. All right, how we doing? How is it? Damn. Makes me wish I was on the other side of that cheese.
That's how you know if the cheese be pulling like that, it's a 10 out of 10 regardless of the experience.
You're the worst.
I thought he handed it to me recorded already. Alright. You know, I'm definitely tasting a lot of the bread because there's 3 layers right here. And
Okay.
it's kind of overpowering the taste of everything else. Even like the mushroom.
Try one slice. See how different it is.
That's 3 pizzas worth. Yo, it's good, man. That shit kind of good.
Yeah.
No tomato sauce either?
There's no tomato sauce?
Look, you dummy.
I think there's some kind of sauce. I don't know if it's tomato though.
Oh,
Actually, I can't see it.
There's some sort of pizza magic at work right now.
Yeah, I don't see any sauce.
dude, I'm sweating balls.
Sweating balls?
Yeah.
You have a zip-up jacket.
You know how thin this is?
How thin it is? Oh.
Alright, we really tried to finish everything, but the takeout boxes are out, and we're all leaving here defeated. Ghostline 1, us 0. Look at this man just box. We Coochie, coochie, coochie. Oh, we heading out. Freaking, we're all destroyed right now. And we about to get some boba tea. Who knows what else we're gonna order out on these streets. But today was a good day. The food was fire. The cheese sticks or whatever the heck they were, the most fire thing on the menu. Those easily put this place up over at 9 out of 10.
8.5. Because the tacos things.
So easily 9 out of 10, just because the cheese sticks and everything else was at least like 8 and above. So yeah, thank you for tuning in, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next episode. Thank you. So unfortunately, the bubble tea place we were trying to go to is closed.
Bro, bad hurt, son. What the hell?
We've been for this since the moment we stepped out the car. Before we even ate.
All right, we're all a little dizzy. We don't know what to do now. Don't know what to do.
Bad hurt, bad hurt. Oh my god, man. Come on. Hold up. Oh, bubble tea. Bubble tea.
Everybody keeps putting their hands on me.